And he's here, and he's gonna dump a big stockpile. And this is how much rock comes out of a super dump. Massive amount of rock. Look at that. It's like it never ends.